When I push the forward button of the remote, then the receiver gets the voltage to the backward and forward portions. Then the forward wire becomes positive volt. In the other hand, the backward wire becomes negative volt. The forward portion supplies positive charge to all these relays. The backward portion helps to pass the negative charge in relays 1 and 2 toward diode 1. On the other hand, the backward portion stops the negative charge to pass in relay 3 and 4 for the diode 2. For this reason, relay 1 and 2 turn 1 and relay 3 and 4 has stopped, and so that the motor will spin forward. When I push the backward switch of the remote, it will work opposite direction and the motor will spin backward direction.